These replacement filters for my LEVOIT Core Mini air purifier work perfectly. They're designed specifically for the Core Mini models and it fit exactly like the original. The pack comes with 4 filters plus some fragrances sponsored as a bonus. Each filter has a 3-stage system. There are pre-filter layer, a HEPA filter, and an activity carbon layer. Charging them out is super simple. Just pop the out on the snap. The new one in the air quality in my bedroom has tried constantly fresh. I have a dog and the filters do a great job with pet danger and odors. The activated carbon layer really helps with any smells from cooking then drifting into the room. The HEPA filter catches all the fine particles and dust. The filters are well made, sturdy construction, and they last a good while before needing replacement. Having a 4-pack means I'm set for over a year. The fragrances sponges are a nice touch if you want to add a subtle scent. My girlfriend actually got me this along with the air purifier itself, and keeping fresh filters on hand has made a noticeable difference in air quality.